workers in Michigan will see bigger paychecks next year. The new minimum wage rate goes into effect in February after a ruling from the state Supreme Court. Our Elle Myers joins us from Lansing with a look at some lawmakers' concerns over implementing higher wages.
It was 6 years in the making. Earlier this month, the Michigan Supreme Court ruled that a move by the legislature back in 2018 called Adopt and Amend was unconstitutional, and our state's minimum wage needs to go up.
The very liberal Michigan Supreme Court decided for some reason that legislators can't pass bills anymore. I guess I don't quite see where they're coming from. So they're doing a little bit of legislating from the bench.
State Representative Joe Aragona tells me he's worried about businesses implementing this higher minimum wage. In February 2025, the rate will go from $10.33 to $12.50 an hour.
I have a number of concerns. Just to start with, restaurants, I think, are going to get decimated.
The rate will increase in the following years, tied to inflation. But that's where officials want more clarity. Actually calculating future years and the inflation we could see is tricky. But former state representative Adam Ollier tells me he's confident Michigan's treasurer can figure it out.
The treasurer of the state of Michigan is an incredibly smart person. And as we talk about this moment, there is no person I feel more confident in who could manage this process and make sure that people are operating in the right way. Lots of things are complicated. That doesn't mean we can't do them. It doesn't mean we shouldn't do them.
Just as Aragona says this change to the minimum wage is coming too quickly for businesses to adapt, Ollier tells me it's been long overdue.
What has been complicated for most folks is trying to balance their budget, not making enough money. And this is going to make sure that folks who have been making minimum wage are able to do that. There was a time when minimum wage was a reasonable amount of money, and we hope that this will make sure that that is the case again.
Reporting in Lansing, I'm Elle Myers, CBS News, Detroit.